बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की वीडियो में हम मल्टीपल एक्सपीरियंस क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस करेंगे और इंशाल्लाह ये क्वेश्चंस जो है वो सॉल्व करने के बाद और उनके आंसर ढूंढने के बाद आपके लिए बहुत आसान हो जाएगा कि आप एकेडमिक को क्रैक कर सकें। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। 90% ऑफ 90, ACFJO, quarter of 10th of 120, angle of projectile is maximum at phenol is, where DN is present, synonym of totally is, in which fungi is replicated, when benzene react with amine, what is formed, how ammonia is converted into ammonium ion. The teacher says we have to follow them. इसको इनडायरेक्ट में करना था। कैपेसिटेंस डिपेंड्स अपॉन which factor does not depend on rate of the reaction, when oxidation of phenols occurs, which color precipitates are formed, which type of hybridization is present in methanol, which is least reactive element, for which purpose Lucas test is used, oxidation of 2-propanone, which reaction is used for ketone identification, tetracycline is antiseptic or antibiotic, which is strongest metallic compound, who discovered chromosomes, total number of peptide bonds, color of photons for large wavelength, speed of light in vacuum and air, speed of light in vacuum and air, Germany. ये जम्बल लेटर था, इसको ठीक करना था। लोकास टेस्ट इज यूज फॉर which color is found when starch react with iodine, which color is found when glycogen react with iodine, uric acid accumulates in bones, which disease is produced, if I were you I would have achieved its sentence type, acylation of phenol produces stereoisomerism of glucose, which law is followed by equation of continuity, which law is followed by Bernoulli's equation, sides of plane prism, ATP is formed in the component of which organelle, which is constant in isochoric process, unit of electric field lines। आगे एक वर्ड दिया हुआ है जिसका सिनोनिम फाइंड करना था। इसके स्पेलिंग्स कुछ यूँ हैं, LUDICIROUS, लिडिक्यूरस। हार्ड रॉड शेप जॉइंट कौन सा होता है, वैल्यू ऑफ पिकोमीटर। Why ketone don't give Cannizaro's reaction, unit of magnetic flux 1 coulomb, unit of resistivity, adenum of wild, acidity of COOH is due to secondary alcohols are found when Grignard reagent react with, which is not enveloped bacteria, volt multiplied by ampere, unit of capacitance, electron voltmeter is the unit of color of starch with iodine, what is step up transformer, definition of amplitude, which catalyst is used in aldol condensation reaction, Mericula's jumbled word था सॉरी। electric energy is converted into mechanical energy by synonym of perceived, he had done his work which tends, unit of zero order reaction, which element is complete resistive to oxidation, pH of trypsin, boiling point of hydrogen iodide is more than hydrogen chloride by, unit of coefficient of resistivity, how many amino acids are present in hemoglobin, HCl, HF, CH3, CO2, highest boiling point, amount of blood in human body, which is the correct description of intermediate in this reaction, electrophilic substitution, molecule with the shortest bond length is BH3, which gas is present in canal tube, unit of electric potential, cell wall of fungi is made up of, in which stage of mitosis DNA replication occurs, in which hybridization triangular geometry is present, impure copper is formed, oxidation state of manganese in KMnO4, CnH2nO is the formula of ketone, 1 degree is equal to 0.0174 radian, treatment of cancer, cobalt 60, when cellulose react with iodine, product will be, ketone is identified by which reaction, phenol phenomena is which type of reaction, It's again a word जिसका एंटोनिम करना था tumultuous. It's like that. OH is electrophile or nucleophile, unit of first order reaction, which hormone maintain pregnancy. End product of anaerobic respiration, polysaccharides in green seeds, which is incorrect about sexual reproduction. Aldol condensation, which is found in valor sciences. Which factor has no effect on bond length? Illumination means unit of electric field. Which are enzyme activators? Which letter comes after M? What are longitudinal waves? Bones in newborn baby. When carboxylic acid reacts with phenol, what is formed? Antonym of cure. Reduction of phenol gives. What will be the capacitance if dielectric is connected with capacitor? Properties of phenol, which has high surface tension, benzene, alcohol, ether or water. Glycogen is present in which cells? What is cation and anion? When phenol reacts with nitric acid, which color precipitates are formed? What is ester? Molar mass of CaF2. Unit of kilowatt or 1 HP is equal to what? Product of force and velocity. Oxidation of 2-propanone. Which catalyst is used in Lucas test? Unit of electric potential. Which symbol is used for principal quantum number? Chemical formula of Trona. If 0.1 microfarad contains 4000 coulomb charge, what is the energy stored in the capacitor? Which aldehydes give Cannizaro's reaction? What is PCR? Lysosomes in nature. Continuously, it's again a jumbled word. Which compound is covalent? NaCl, KCl, NH4Cl. Which is present in both respiratory and digestive system. Reactivity order of alcohols. Angle between angular and linear velocity 90 degree का एंगल होता है. Magnetism is associated with moving charges, stationary charges. Flute is properties of competitive enzyme. Which gravity is present in spaceship? What is the value of variable used in ideal gas equation? Optimum temperature of enzymes. Boiling point of phenol. Which superoxides are formed by alkali metals? Unit of magnetic flux. 1 volt is equal to ohm meter is the unit of what? If the population of a city in 1950 is 500, then population after 5 years will be what? If population increase 3 times every year. End product of Calvin cycle. What is metaphase? What are bioindicators? Lattice energy of NaZCl. What is monotransitive verb? Electric intensity is scalar or vector. Which is covalent compound? AlCl3 MgCl2. In Fleming left hand rule, middle finger shows unit of potential difference. Lewis law. Which phenol is acidic? What is zero order reaction? What is the cleavage of OH bond? When O2 react with 2-propanone product. Amount of glucose in our body, which is not the function of amylase. When carboxylic acid reacts with glycerol, how many lipids are produced? Why enzymes are helpful? 1 megawatt is equal to what? 1 kilowatt hour is equal to what? Synonym of cordial. Relative permittivity of water. Fructose is formed of. Synonym of curious. Which series lie in ultraviolet region? Why carboxylic acids are reactive? Function of lysosomes. When carboxylic acids react with O5, what will be formed? Function of tonoplast. Formula of carbohydrates. Waxes do not contribute to. Which alcohol gives oily layer? Function of mesosomes. Which test is used to differentiate between methanol and ethanol? Electric intensity is scalar or vector quantity. pH value of phenol. Oxidation of ketones gives. Ketone is detected by which test? Ketone and aldehyde cannot be reduced by which reducing agent? UV series is. Pancreatic hormone work best at which pH? Which is a discontinuous trait in human? Which cartilage supports the connective tissue? At which week does the formation of organs start? W by Q naught is P is equal to W by Q naught is watt. Volt multiplied by ampere. Coaxed antonym. Illumination means Coinocytic means splitting of light into its constituent colors. Transformer is used to detect nitrogen react with Mg to form a neurotransmitter in excitatory state. Enzymes increases or decreases the rate of reaction. ये थे आज के तमाम क्वेश्चन जो कि तकरीबन 200 क्वेश्चन थे। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।